Hi guys, this is the FNF committee. So, to request 2024-2025 student government finance and funding, you gotta go ahead and add your title, describe the club purpose of your request, going ahead, add in your primary contact of the treasurer, like the first name and last name, CU Denver email, and cell phone number. Likewise, the secondary contact for event, um, any other officer, like similar as above, your first name, last name, CU Denver email, and cell phone number. Likewise, what are your alternate funding avenues? Please go ahead and type that in. If there's any questions, comments, you can go ahead and include that as well.
Here is where you can list if you would like the FNF committee to amend the budget. This can create an expedited approval process. Here is where you'll list what type of budget you're filling out for: campus event, professional development, or club marketing/development.
So moving forward, here you have to add the event title, likewise the event date, likewise the event time. You can go ahead and add your event venue, like where is it, like
Here's where you'll be picking up your items, also delivered, generally be delivered to the Tivoli 345 office. Here, please provide the link to your MyLynx event page. Also, please mention sponsored by SGA in all marketing materials, including the MyLynx page. Here, we'd like to see the expected headcount for this event, as it'll help FNF calculate proper procurement costs for each person. Here, we'd like to see the business purpose, aka the reason why you would like this event in the first place. Please describe it in detail. Here, we'd like to see how you plan to get this event out to the students so people can attend properly. Here, FNF would like to see how you plan to summarize the success of the event. Generally, we see attendance numbers. Here, we'd just like to see how you plan to make it accessible to all CU Denver students. Here's where you say yes or no to the travel form that you have filled out in MyLynx for your professional development. Here is the professional development you'll be going to, the event or conference. Here's the date of when it'll be happening. Here's where you'll be saying if the registration has closed, when is early registration, if any, when is regular. Here's where you'll be linking to the registration page for proper procurement. Here's where you'll be saying where the professional development is happening. Here's where you'll be saying how many people are going. Please include their CU Denver student ID numbers, as well as their first and last name and email address. Here's where you'll be saying how you plan to travel to the event or conference. Here, if there is a multiple day conference, please mention where you'll be staying. And here, please list at least 3 learning outcomes for the individuals that will be attending the conference. Here you'll be saying what type of development you'll be doing for your club, apparel, giveaway, print/media, or equipment. Here's please describe in full detail what your organization like and what it will be for. Here you'll be saying what vendor you would like to use. For apparel, we generally use Custom Ink, Foreign Print, or Geiger. Please say where you'll be storing these items. Examples can be advisor's office or an officer's house. Here you'll be saying if you plan to sell them as a fundraiser. Here is when you'll be saying when you need the items delivered or picked up from the Student Life Office in Tivoli 345. Here is where you have to acknowledge for your club. Please click agree and make sure to read each individual point. This one is the most important, as if you don't meet the deadline, it'll be an automatic denial from the Finance and Funding Committee. Here you'll be saying where you'll need a presentation for above 500 or 2,500, a presentation to the Senate. This is the page where you'll be listing your invoices as well as the cost of items that you will be asking for the Finance and Funding Committee to procure for you. Here you'll be listing the invoice for your items. Please, for each item, make a new line item listing the quantity and the amount per item that you would like. Then please list the name of the item. And here you can describe what the items are, their importance, and the link to where procurement will procure them. The same will be true for club development. Please list a valid invoice for it. Please list the item's name, what they are, reason for, and a link to where to procure it. Same as before, please list the quantity you would like and the cost per item. For professional development, please list the registration as well as in the description. Please list the link to where you would register for this event. Please list the amount of people under quantity as well as the cost per person. Then there you'll be listing the invoice for registration costs. As you can see, the total is $510, which exceeds the FNF's $500 limit for presentations, meaning that this would be a presentation towards the Finance and Funding Committee. After you are done, please hit submit. of which then you'll be able to see your request under the requests that you have, and you can see the status of it under the procurement line of reasoning. Currently, it is under finance and funding.